Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on the application of Chase mobile app. You will go to settings, here on settings like this. In this page you will go to apps. In this list you will go to above and you can search about Chase mobile and you will click here. Then you will go to first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.